left arm is not used to pulling up the rod. Oh, shit, Hello everybody, welcome back to another episode of I'm a Fishing Freak. And in today's video, we went out to the middle grounds with a group of friends and we were looking for red snapper, red grouper, and anything else that bit. I'm not going to spend too much time talking because I do want to get right into it, but I'm going to have to go over a few things. Alright, so I am going to go ahead and speed right through everything you guys need to know. We got up that morning at 3 o'clock, we were on the water by 4:30. It took us about an hour and a half to 2 hours to get out to the middle ground spot that we were going to. Start off, we were going to work our way back inshore as we fished throughout the day. So, by the time we actually got to that first spot, it was already 6:37. What we were fishing with was cut squid and cut cigar minnows, but you could really use any other small frozen bait fish like that. We were using that on, I don't know the specifics of the actual rod and reel and line, but I do know it was about a 3-ounce egg weight with a probably about 4/0 circle hook, and we were dropping that down 100 to 130 feet. But all the spots we tried, which I'm not really going to talk about where it was at, but we were looking for ridges and structure on the bottom that fish would want to sit on. All right, well, I guess let's get into the clips. Yeah. Yeah, I feel it. It's kind of coming with me though. I don't think it's very big. Unless it's tank, yeah. It's little, I think. What is it? Yeah, it's 40. 100 eval.
Yep. That's the first 40, right?
Of this species, I think.
White bucket with a lid on it. Got him?
Yeah, I got him. He's kind of going with me weird. Yeah.
Sorry, I know it's way back there.
Biting me, but oh, it's another porgy. It's a different kind though, I think. That porgy fought a lot better than the last one, and it's not even that much bigger. Little kick on. He said there's sharks and stuff.
Alright.
Another porgy.
Definitely better than it was. Yeah, I feel like sliding up a little bit.
Oh, big porgy. feels like a better one. I'm not used to holding the rod like this, so my left arm gets tired easy.
It's kind of a smaller shark? Yeah, I saw him swim by pretty fast.
I see him all the way down there. What is he? 40?
Porgy?
Yeah.
Or not?
This one feels good.
Yeah, it's not truly big. We do have a gap.
Starting to lighten up. Doesn't feel that big anymore. Another red porgy. You got something? Yeah. Get in the boat.
Feel bigger than the other stuff you can fish?
Yes. Especially when it was at the bottom. Alright, starting to feel a little smaller though. Where are you at? No, it still feels good. Yeah. Where's it at? Oh, there it is. What is it?
Red grouper.
Red grouper. Oh, I've got your line.
And where's that me? That's me. Hold on.
Oh, my left arm is not strong at all.
What?
My left arm is not used to pulling up the rod.
Make it more of a fight.
Yeah. Good red grouper. That's red
Oh,
grouper.
that's a keeper.
As you can see, we were on the porgies for a long time in the morning. Sadly, by the time my GoPro died was right whenever the bite was heating up with larger game fish, such as the red grouper, as you saw, and red snapper would come a little later. But still able to get a bunch of footage, and that's good. But as you've seen throughout the video, there isn't really, like, I look awkward reeling in the fish. So the problem is that normally I reel like this, but I'm I reel left-handed, but because we were with friends, they weren't really our rods, so I was actually using a right-handed reel. So you'll see in these clips in a second from my GoPro, after my GoPro died, my dad was filming me, I'm reeling in like this, which will look weird, but that's also why I'm talking about my left arm is hurting, because I'm having to pull up with my left arm instead of my right arm. Just thought I'd add that in there.
Herculean pool. Oh, there we go. Nice. Oh. Nice.
Barely hooked too.
Somebody cap it off.
So, by the end of the day, we were able to limit out on red snapper. I think we had 3 keeper red grouper, probably a dozen keeper mangrove snapper. Like, we were getting some big mangroves, like 20 inches long, and we caught a ton of porkies. We got a triggerfish in there. We had a big mixed bag. ton of fun. I think by the time we got back, it was already like 7:30 or something. It was sunset already. So we spent at least like 12 hours on that boat. As you can see, it was pretty choppy out there. It wasn't supposed to be, but it ended up being like 15 knots, so choppy seas. That's all I can really think of to say. If you enjoyed today's video, please leave a like. Leave a comment down below on any suggestions you have for videos or on how to make my videos better. Subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.